In some cases, the preset names for one device do not match the preset names or slot numbers of another device. We would consider these presets to be mixed or not aligned. In Designer 4.1, mixed location presets cannot be loaded to devices. In this example, we're saving an MXA310 configuration in the web UI, assuming the user did that at some point as preset 1. In Designer, go to a location in live mode and add the devices that you want to line up with the same preset names. In this case, it is MXA310 and P300. Navigate to presets and you can see that presets are in a mixed state. Remove the MXA310 from the location and save the P300 configuration to preset slot 1 called preset 1 to match the MXA310 preset slot 1 name. Add the MXA310 back to the location and everything is lined up, so you can now manage the preset successfully in Designer.